English in 1 minute. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court, meaning it is your turn to act. You must act. You must do something. Nobody else can do it. Example. The doctor advised Mary that she should eat better food to improve her health. The ball is in her court. She must change her behavior. She must act. It depends on her actions. It depends on her response. Her health depends on her response. The ball is in her court. Can she ask the doctor? Can she ask the doctor for medicine? No, she can't. No, she can't ask the doctor for medicine. Why can't she? Why can't she? Why can't she ask the doctor? Why can't she ask the doctor for medication? Because the ball is in her court. She must take action, not someone else.